Ma'am, is it okay for me to ask you what is your name?
My name is Ma'am Lazara Pibo Macao.
Ma'am, where do you come from?
I'm from Manila, in Tondo.
Tondo. Ah, yeah. Okay. Is it okay if you don't mind me asking again, how young are you, ma'am?
I am 69 years old now.
Really? 69?
Yeah, 69.
You don't look like 69.
Thank
Really
you.
look young. Ma'am, now I come to know that before you use this biospray, this is the biospray. Now, before you use this biospray, you were having some health problem. Is it okay for me to ask you what is it?
Yes. In my age, at 55 years old, I'm suffering from diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol.
Oh, diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol.
Yes.
So how long already you have this problem? How many years? Around about 10 years?
From 55 up to 69, after 10 years.
Oh, more than 10 years.
More than 10 years from now.
So you've been on medication.
Yes.
So after using this, you find good improvement? Have you got a lot of good improvement?
Yes, when I take by spray, and then I got another blood pressure, and then I have here the result of my blood pressure.
You mean this is the report you got it from your doctor?
Yes.
That your improvement, I see, okay, you improve in your diabetes reading, improve in your blood pressure,
Yes.
And even the cholesterol, it has improved. So that's very good, ma'am. After using for how long, ma'am? After how long have you been
I used
using?
this by spray for almost 6 months.
6 months. Then after that, you went for your medical check, and then you find that it has improved. And
Yes.
doctors told you that you have no need to use any more medication for your diabetes?
Yes, my medication for the diabetes is no more.
No more?
And my cholesterol no more. But my blood pressure, he said to me that half of the tablet twice a week, so that
Reduce.
reduce.
Or reducing your blood pressure
Yeah.
medication. Also, you must be very happy about it.
Yes, I'm very happy for taking this to my what do you call this na
Reports,
suffering from this diabetes. I'm very happy that it's there gone.
Now, because the first time when I saw you and now, I see a very great change in you physically. You know, you look very nice now, and also very energetic.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, I need to
feel
interrupt for a little while. So, you say you were taking this diabetic medicine for how long already before? Medicine, diabetic, yeah. Medicine.
Using this tablet, my medicine.
Diabetics.
Almost 10 years now.
10 years
10
diabetic.
years.
Oh, so now the doctor asks you no need to take the medicine.
Yes.
And the blood pressure.
They remove the tablet, the medicine for me.
Oh, the diabetic they move already.
Told me na when I use this, sabi niya, if you get better to this, you go to continue.
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 Using this.
That's good. Even your doctor agree with you, and your doctor
yes.
endorse you. That's very good. So, ma'am, now is it okay if you use in Tagalog and describe to us a little bit how your diabetes has been improved after using this biospray?
Okay. Magandang what time?
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Ako po, kung tawagin nila ay si Charing. Pero ang problema ko po, nung ako'y 55 years old, dumating yung aking diabetes. Kasi huminto na ako nagtrabaho. Pagkatapos po, yung nagkaroon ako ng diabetes, blood sugar, tsaka yung cholesterol. Continuous po yung aking medicine sa pag-inom. Pero nung maalok po ako ng Biometric Corporation, this biospray, ito pong biospray na po, sinubukan ko po, nag-try ako. Tapos ininom ko po ito, nakadalawang bottle po ako within 6 months. Yung 6 months po na yun, parang naramdaman ko, parang nagbago yung pakiramdam ko. Tsaka parang pong lumakas ako. Kanya Ang ginawa ko, pumunta ulit ako sa doktor ko, tapos blood chemistry ulit ako. At yun nga, lumabas nga itong resulta ng blood chemistry ko. At yung mga lumabas na yun, parang nawala na yung diabetes, yung blood sugar, tsaka yung cholesterol talagang nawala sila lahat. Kaya yung doktor, sabi ng doktor na, o sige, alisin muna natin itong sa diabetic mo, tsaka yung sa cholesterol. Pero yung sa yung sa high blood, huwag mo munang alisin kasi minsan dumadating bigla yan. Kanya lang, kalahatiin mo lang sa loob ng isang linggo. Pero sa ginawa ko naman po, hindi ko na itinuloy yung pag-inom. Yung hanggang sa ngayon, yung energy ko, yung lakas ko, parang ang lakas ko sa palagitan. Kaya malaking pasalamat ko dito sa Vice Spray na nakatulong ng malaki.
Wow.
Vice Spray.
So now you are a very happy woman. Huh?
Opo, masaya na ako. Dahil
That's why you
wala na
now
yung
magkakanda, you see? So, I want to say maraming salamat po for this interview. Thank you.
So good. This
We will use this company. You keep this, in case they need.